Today we're going to put together the JK400, our biggest composter. It's a heavy one. The second rod goes on the back side. And the way you tell which is the front and the back is the back side has holes up a little higher on there. The front side just has the hole at the bottom. I have put on the cross brace at the same time as well, as you can see. And we do a bolt here. One of these guys here will go across the front. And make sure you get these in the hole in the right spot. I'm going to put the panel that has the end that has the handles on the top. So make sure this is the one that only has the regular holes. I'll show you the other ones as we're putting it on. Line up the holes, and this piece goes inside. The shield. Octagon with no holes. This piece. And you can see this is the one that the handles go on, as it's got the extra holes where the handle gets inserted. That seems a little better. Okay, now we're going to stand it up and we are going to tighten up the frame on this one. Okay, if we can just grab it, we'll take it back that way a little bit. Perfect. Now, I'll get you to hold that nut while I tighten from the other end. Okay, I'll get you to hold the other end for a second. That seems good, okay. Same thing on the bottom. Stuff's in the way there. We're now going to put the handle on, so we're going to stand it up back on its side. There's 4 handles that go on this one, as you can tell. One of them has 3 spacer bars, and that's to allow room for the door to open. These are the spacer bars. All right. First thing I'm going to do is going to be the one that has that on it. So we put 3 of those go up top, 1 goes in the bottom, and these ones get the long screws. So in our handles, you can see a bigger hole on one side and a smaller. These Allen screws go right through the big holes, like so. Like so. Okay. Okay. And the third. Okay, these go right through the holes in here. so. And then underneath gets one more of these, goes underneath there. Allen key and a wrench, tighten those up. Tighten those a little bit more up later on. So the rest of the handles only have one of the rod on each side. I'm going to tighten these all up when I stand it up. I think that would be an easier solution than trying to work upside down. So stand this guy back up and move it back over there. Good. I'm going to tighten those up. Now that'll be the next part of the project. Good. Handles on. We can then push this octagon back. We got to make sure we line up the holes. Once we're done. All right, so now we got to plan this a little bit for the space with the 3 on. I'll explain as we go here. Good. Okay. There we go on that panel. Good. Going halfway from each side tends to get them to line up because it's a bit of a nuisance if it doesn't line up. So. All right, we just keep working around and getting the whole thing like that, and that gets you the insulation held in place. There we go. Here's visible. Okay. And there you have it, the JK400. Any questions, please email us at info@joracomposters.com. Thank you for choosing Jora.